Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We are back in upskilling our powers of using functions in Python. So Python gives you a flexibility in functions that makes Python helpful, supportive, and super beneficial for programmers. And that is args and kwargs arguments in a function. So let us see what are they and how they make our life a lot easier. For example, you want to order a pizza. So as a first argument when you step into a restaurant, you can say that my main argument, the main word I am passing to the waiter is that I want pizza. But in pizza, I want so many options that I want olives in it, and I want mushrooms in it, and I want chicken pieces on it, not the beef ones. And also, you want to add some special options in it too, like I want the crust to be mid, or I want it to be baked full or half, or I want the spice to be low or medium. So that's how you want your pizza to be personalized and customized for you. How you can use functions for that? Can you pass so many arguments, so many options till you wish to a function, or the function restricts you? No, the Python doesn't restrict you because it offers you args and kwargs. So let us see with an example of ordering a pizza. We are making a pizza ordering function called please. We are making an ordering function, and in the first function, in the first place argument, we pass what we want to order. So name of the dish. Then we will by the use of an asterisk, let our user of the function pass any number of arguments he wants as the dressings of that pizza. So we will say dressings, okay? And for special options, like I want in which we have a spectrum or MCQs, multiple choices, we can provide kwargs, okay? I will let you know how that operates. Special options. Okay. So let us before developing this function in a complete manner, know how some of the users will use this function. Okay. So when someone will call order, in first place he will say pizza, and for dressings he will pass all of the dressings he wants. He wants onions, he wants olives, he wants chicken, he wants beef steaks, and in the special options he will pass keyword arguments. Keyword arguments, I will tell you how does that function. See, he will say crust is equal to light, and spice is equal to mid, and bread is equal to yeasted. Then, so where you have kwargs, and kwargs are signified with double asterisks, you will pass as many as keyword arguments you want. And where there is the option of args, you will pass as many as individual arguments as you want. And where you don't have any asterisks, it means you can only pass one argument, and that will be the principal argument of that function. Okay, so this is how the function is going to be passed with arguments. Now it is on the function to process it. It can say print the name of the dish. You are ordering name of the dish, and then it will print in a for loop for D in dressings, print the dressings you choose is D. Okay, the dressing you chose is D. And likewise, you can also print the keyword arguments that you will pass in the function too. Because these keyword arguments, Python will convert it in a dictionary, and you can use it likewise by the key, value, and item functions. Let me explain how to use that. For key, value, in special options dot items, print f you for dash you have selected option. Let us see how this is going to work. Somewhere we have this full stop is making an error. Now let us, when we have made and defined this function, use it by calling it with the options we have already marked. Oh, you are ordering a pizza. The dressings you chose is onion. The dressing you chose is olive. The dressing you chose is chicken beef steaks. For crust, you have selected light option. For spice, you have selected mid option. For bread, you have selected yeasty option. I can drag it as long as I can. For example, I can say for color, I want light yellow. And I can also add kwargs here for chicken beef steaks, and I want it to be flavored with chicken tikka. And it will be added just in a moment without any hassle of programming very strictly and defining each in arguments, their indexes, their limitations, their orderings. Python gives you a free hand over arguments, so you can play it as you wish. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.